Hi guys, Troy at The Full Setup back with another video for you. Now today is a day that I'm really happy about. This is going to be the first episode of unboxing stuff. Now everything except this little packet here I was sent, and that's really good. It's really good to see that the channel's starting to get some free swag. I can only thank all of you for subscribing and helping me out get these parts. Like I said, once it starts becoming a lot more regular, I will be doing some giveaways as well. I also want to mention that I've recently set up a Discord server. There is a link in the description. Just we can chat about PCs, builds, any questions you can ask me. Already got a few people over there, and most of my videos now are going to go live there a couple of hours before I post them to YouTube as well. So that's the best place if you want to see my content straight away. And I will be doing reviews of all these products over the next month or so, but I just wanted to sort of do all the unboxings in one video. So we have a keyboard, RGB keyboard here, RGB liquid cooler, and then we have a portable SSD, and I'll show you what's in there in a minute. So let's get in closer and start unboxing stuff. So we're going to start with the SSD. Now this is, I don't know quite how you pronounce that. This is the EAGET 240GB MS608 portable SSD sent for me by the lovely people at Banggood. Also available in a 128GB version as well. I think they sell for between £50 and £70. There's also a link in the description which gives you a 10% discount till the end of June. End of June for that one. So yeah, we got you a discount. So on the back of the box we have the specs here. It's got reads of up to 300 megabytes per second, right up to 260 megabytes per second. It also comes with software, so you can encrypt it as well, so you can put your own pin on it. So this is 256 gigabytes, super fast storage in my pocket, which is good because I transfer a lot of files because I have a lot of PCs and laptops. We need something to compare it to, so what have we got here? So here is a conventional hard drive. Now SSDs might be a little bit thinner than this, but here you can see, definitely smaller, a little bit chunkier, but light, very light. Don't know if there's like a light that lights up when you're on it or an off button, but like I said, we're going to do a review of this as well. What else have we got on here? So we have a USB cable, looks a little short, if I could be honest. Oh, that's nice, a nice pouch to put it in so it's not going to get scratched. And then a manual which is all Chinese and English. So yeah, really looking forward to reviewing this. It's going to be really nice to have some fast storage in my, again, because mostly I've just been using like my old laptop hard drives and USB drives. So yeah, really looking forward to review this. This review is probably going to be up in about 2 or 3 weeks. But yeah, if you're really interested in one, make sure you use the voucher discount code in the description. I won't make you wait too long because I know this is the one you probably want to see out of all of them. This is the Deepcool Captain 240EX in white, but it's also got an RGB going on as well. You got Aura Sync, but you'll be able to sync it up to any motherboard. You can see on the side here, motherboard support. Also comes with a controller. I've already got a few Deepcool RGB videos up, so make sure you go and watch those. If you want to see sort of how you do all the lighting effects and stuff until this review is up. This should be up hopefully the beginning of next week. What have we got in here then? So there's the two 120mm included fans. I absolutely love the look of these fans. Even before they did the RGB version of this cooler, I loved them. My only complaint, and obviously I haven't heard them yet, my only initial complaint is they don't sell them separately. So if you were doing this all white build, maybe you've got this cooler in the top of your case that these fans are on show, you can't buy these fans, and I'm gonna message Deepcool about that actually. They need to start selling these separately. What do you think? Anyway, I think they should. Look at the back of it as well. Not that you're never gonna see it. Beautiful, two 120 fans. I've had a few Deepcool CPU coolers now, ones that they've sent me, ones that I've bought, and I've always thought the fans are, they're okay. They're not the best, but they're, you know, I've had way worse fans and way noisier fans with AIOs. So in this bag we have the built-in controller, which again I'll show you a bit more in the review, but check out my other reviews. Looks like we've got an RGB strip that comes with it as well. Nice little extra. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, it's okay. It's not super long, but it's there, isn't it? You know, it's better. It's good that they give this stuff away. I like Deepcool. I really like the stuff they do, and this isn't just because they've been sending me stuff. I've just been a fan of them for a while. All your different various mounting kits, but a few extra things in here. Looks to be like a Deepcool sticker. I like the look of that. We need to find somewhere to put that. don't we? You know, a fan extender, you know, it's just these little touches. This is why I like them. There'll be loads of nuts and bolts in this. You've got a mounting plate, all Intel supported chips plus AM4. This is AM4 ready. Manual, don't really need that for now. A few things about other products. Would you like me to review? Oh, I haven't got a picture of it. Would you like me to ask Deepcool to send me out some cases? You gotta come watch all these Deepcool videos because it's the only way we're gonna get sent more stuff. But if you want to see some Deepcool cases, let me know. And last but not least, oh no, one more thing. Again, all Deepcool AIOs. I think, I don't know about the 120s, but all the 240 ones, they come with these bad boys. Look at these. 4 fan splitter, sticker to sticker to back of your case, nice long cable, and you've got the extender. This is what I mean, all the little extra touches. This is why I like Deepcool. Do you know they're the first people that contacted me as well, known brand. They actually contacted me. I was over the bloody moon. I was like, yeah, of course I'll review your stuff. Send it all. Right, we're going to leave that on for now. Pre-applied thermal paste. I'm going to do a full review of this, and I think I'm probably going to put it on the 2600 at 4.2 gigahertz for benchmarks as well. So we can see how it goes. Now, this just look at it. It's beautiful. That is the closest thing you can get to not building a closed loop of beauty there. That is, you know, that's just beautiful. Got the all white base there. Sorry if the focus is a bit bad. There we go. You can see the water comes up here. This is going to light up with RGB. Nice cable again, braided, and then you've got a little black cable as well for your RGB connections down here. Only thing I've heard a few people say about these, and this was the previous caller, is these are a little short. Now, if you've got a super big case, that's probably where you want to go NZXT, and the reason I don't have NZXT ones is because I don't want loads of this bloody tubing. But you can see there, that is a little bit short by the time you've done a loop down and stuff as well. So this is probably good for mid towers. NZXT S340s, S340s Elites, Fantex P300s, P400s, you know, those really nice mid tower cases. So what's in the package, Troy? Well, I'm a little bit disappointed because this is a mechanical hard drive, and that isn't very well packed. And I bought the hard drive used, and I know a lot of you are going to be like, don't buy a used hard drive, man. Well, hopefully this is going to go well, because I paid £40 for this hard drive that's in here, and this is for an upcoming video which we'll talk about in a second, and I paid £40 I want it for with postage. Now this isn't any hard drive, it's a Western Digital Black. Now they've been making these for quite some time, so there's a chance that it could be quite an older hard drive. Crucial data on here. I can understand why you wouldn't buy a second-hand hard drive. Me, on the other hand, you know, it's not just the benchmarking PCs I've got my lounge PC, got a PC plugged into my TV in my bedroom, and, you know, fitting all those with brand new hardware, they're sort of ghetto builds. They're quite cool. But when I seen this one, let's get some focus. You can see that. Let's have a look. Can we get some focus? See what it says there? Date 19th of June 2017. Now, how long has this hard drive been in a PC for? I bought it from a refurbished store as well, like a place that refurbishes hard drives. It might not have even been put in a PC in June 2017. It's not even June 2018 as they're making this video. These are £100. That is a bargain. So what am I going to be doing with this hard drive? Well, as you would have seen recently on YouTube, quite a few people are uploading videos of Store MI, AMD's new sort of storage, a bit like Optane, and sort of in a way where you put a SSD with a hard drive, sort of fuse it together, and you get a really fast drive. Now most of those, they're using Western Digital Blues and just SATA SSDs. I thought we'd see what happens if we take it a step further, so we're going to have a 2TB Western Digital Black, perfect for content creators and gamers, probably one of the fastest mechanical drives you can get, and I'm going to pair it with an Evo 960 M.2 SSD, and we're going to do a huge gaming benchmark with this. That won't be till next month though, because I need an X470 motherboard, and I don't know which one I want yet. Moving on to the final piece of swag. Again, this was sent over from the lovely people at Banggood. Now I have a 12% discount on this for you till the end of the year. to the end of the year, and it did arrive pretty quick. I don't know how long it would arrive for you. I don't know if they sent it quicker to me because it was a reviewer, but I got this in a week. And this is a Ajazz AK33 RGB mechanical keyboard. Just, I think it's about £35. So there's the keyboard. What else we got in here? Got a cable. Removable cable as well, because you're going to be worrying, I don't want to buy a cheaper keyboard because the cable will break on it, and then I might as well just spend £70 on one. Not that long a cable actually, but it's removable. Can't see the end on it there. It's the mini USB, but you could replace that with a braided one. That's great. What else we got? Warranty card, which, okay, you're probably not going to use that. Instructions, completely in Chinese. Oh no. Yeah, we got some instructions there as well. We can figure that out. We can figure out what that sort of stuff does. Like, we know the FN keys. Keycap puller for keeping it clean. This is nice. I'm going to use this to clean my other keyboards because they are grubby as shit. Look at that, we've got a nice cleaner. Well, you don't want to see all that stuff, do you? You want to see the bloody keyboard. We'll have to turn this bad boy on as well, won't we? So there it is, 10 keyless keyboard. It's got this nice silver finish. Now, I reckon the RGBs are going to bounce off that really well. Few complaints I've already heard about people with this. It's got, you know, high gloss black, but can you see that high gloss black right now? I mean, I'm down here and I'm like here. I can't see that high gloss black, so I don't know why people are whinging. You can adjust the height again. And if you were worrying about cheap RGB keyboards, these are Zorro Blues, I wouldn't. This keyboard, cheap mechanical keyboard, had it 2 years. God, I've got piles of stuff over here now. This wasn't a good example because the keycap just fell off. This keyboard, I've had this 3 years. That was £30. You know, I don't think you need to be spending £100, £120 on a keyboard. But I know what you want to see. We're going to have to plug it in quickly, aren't we? Where's that bloody cable? Look at it. Look at it. It's all lit up. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful keyboard. Now check this one out, though. Look at these bad boys. I'll find one for you. Where is it? I'm going to do a full review of this, so I'll show you all the lighting. Here we go. Look at that. It looks like some sweet shop, doesn't it? Look at that. Oh. Anyway, there's the first episode of unboxing stuff. Like I said earlier, if you do want to start seeing my videos earlier, make sure you subscribe to my Discord server. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with some videos real soon.